Good afternoon, and welcome to another edition of Out and About in Calaveras with Tim and Lisa, and the showcasing of a new listing. Today is June 21st, 2024, and we are in Arnold, California, in the Lake Springs Subdivision with access to the Snowflake Lodge and Flying Acres Lake on El Ranchero. Situated on 0.41 of an acre, we have just over 1,500 square feet, 2 bedrooms plus a loft, 2 baths. Let's take a look. I hope you've enjoyed the coverage of the new listing on El Ranchero. It's important to note that the price does include a new roof that's going to be installed. Additionally, if you'd like more information or you'd like to see the property in person, please reach out to us. By the way, my name is Tim Muetterties, and I sell real estate in Calaveras County along with my wife, Lisa.